खेलो 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 फ्रंट फुट पे
Delhi actually has the worst slogan, right?
From खेलो खेलो कैलाश के time we've come to दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा. Finally, two Delhi supporters can say after many years कि दिल्ली का कुछ chance है in this season's IPL.
भाई Delhi supporters नहीं, Delhi die-hard fans.
Delhi die-hard
fans.
So I've brought my brother today, who will be talking about his fan prediction 11, and we are really die-hard Delhi fans because हम stadiums में भी जाते थे दिल्ली के फिरोजशाह.
We must have seen at least 25 matches of Delhi at Firozshah Kotla, जिसमें से 20 दिल्ली हारी है. And reaching the stadium, parking the car, walking right till the stadium is not an easy task, boss. और 25 में अगर 25 मैच देखें तो हम 15 मैच तो हमने नॉर्मल स्टैंड्स में देखे गर्मी में. तो डाई हार्ड सपोर्टर्स ही कह सकते हो. सपोर्टर्स डाई हार्ड फैंस है भाई दिल्ली के.
So चलो, before we crack on with the predicted 11, I just want to briefly tell you who all Delhi bought. Auction में Delhi always is the ones that buy the most, and we bought Shimron Hetmeyer, Marcus Stoinis, Alex Carey, Mohit Sharma, Lalit Yadav, Tushar Deshpande, Ravichandran Ashwin we bought from Punjab. We traded Ajinkya Rahane from Rajasthan, where we gave Mayank Markande and Rahul Tewatia to them. And Chris Wokes and Roy were initially bought in the auction, but they decided not to play. So we got Sams and Rick Notche in the team.
This time, in fact, I like the strategy of the management. For each and every slot and for every player, I believe Delhi Capitals, they have a replacement. Yeah. If you look at the opening slot, if you look at the fast bowlers, spinners, in fact, even the middle orders, for a Stoinis, you have a replacement in Kimo Paul. You have a replacement. In fact, this new guy, Lalit Yadav, I was watching DC's Instagram page. This guy hits a mile.
He's a good
Lalit Yadav. So he could also be a upcoming young upcoming all rounder. In fact, he bowls as well.
So let me show you guys the 11 Aditya Bhaiya has. It's Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan opening. Shreyas Iyer 1 down, Rishabh Pant at 2, Hetmeyer, Stoinis carrying on to the all-rounder Ashwin and Akshar Patel, which give you spin bowling options. And then coming to the seamers, you have Rabada, Ishant Sharma and Lamit Chane, the Nepalese spinner.
I think my 11 shouldn't be a surprise. The only surprise would be, like he was also discussing and arguing with me, would be Rahane.
Yeah.
But I'm sorry, hard decisions need to be made. Shaw and Dhawan, they have to open. Iyer played beautifully last season at number 3. I think he shouldn't be tampered with. Pant, obviously at number 4. It's a T20. He should have 10 overs once he comes in. Hetmeyer also, I think, an automatic selection.
Yeah.
Then I would choose Stoinis because of his recent form. BBL, Stoinis was the highest run scorer. Plus he bowls those off cutters. So I believe this time the pitches in UAE would be a little on the slower side. So Stoinis would be handy. Ashwin again, an excellent buy.
Yeah.
Ashwin is an excellent buy. Akshar Patel after Ashwin buy, just because of the variation, he's a left arm bowler, left arm spinner. Doesn't take too many wickets, but he's economical. Rabada, he's top 3 fast bowlers, in the world, all across all formats. Ishant Sharma, again, old warrior. Last year also he performed decently well in IPL. I was confused, in the last slot between Lami Chane and Williams, Daniel Sams, the left arm fast bowler. But I'll choose Lami Chane because again, leg spinner and UAE pitches, I think slower bowler would do well. So this is my 11. Unfortunately, sorry, I'm a huge fan of Rahane, but I think in the middle order T20 we need someone like Pant and Hetmeyer to obviously go match that 150 strike rate.
Yeah, like you said, I think each and every slot Delhi has, we have an equal or just a 90% replacement there. Like if we don't play Ishant, we have Mohit Sharma, Tushar Deshpande. If we don't play Rabada, we had Andrik Notche. So the squad depth this time, I think Delhi's squad depth is one of the best in the IPL.
Bro, after I think numerous seasons, I believe this time Delhi, I think they have the best chance. Bro, इस साल नहीं तो फिर कभी नहीं. इस साल नहीं तो कभी नहीं, because they have a young team. keep in mind they have a young team. If you look at the average age, apart from Ishant Sharma, I think everyone is below 30.
Yeah.
And experienced. Pant is like a youngster only, 2 years into international cricket, but he's played over 60-70 IPL matches, so he's experienced in IPL. So yeah, this saal I think Delhi Capitals, the management has been smart, unlike the previous management. I think, with Jindal also coming in, that guy, the owner, I've seen his Parth Jindal, so I've seen his videos, so I believe they've been smart,
So what league position do you think Delhi will?
Delhi, I see them, reaching the top 4 this time, like last time. But Delhi का ना यार अमन हर वक्त वो top 4 के बाद ना यार वो
1-2 मैचेस हार जाते हैं.
Yes, exactly. So bad luck भी रहता है. But I believe this time, this is my personal feeling. I'll always want and support Delhi. But this time I believe a team like a RCB or a Delhi Capitals, some team which hasn't won before, so that team will win this time, and hopefully it should be Delhi Capitals. Yeah. I think they have a better
Fingers crossed.
squad than RCB also. But again, Mumbai Indians, Chennai, this time Kings 11 Punjab also. They look strong. But all depends on how they, acclimatize, to the UAE conditions, because what I'm hearing is, 140, 150 की pitch होगी. So, फर्क पड़ेगा. Rahane might just fit in to carry the side through. Right? Pant and Hitmaier, ये लोग मार सकते हैं. And Rahane can just carry
one end you need a player who can.
But Dhawan has also started playing that role. If you look at Dhawan, even when he plays for India, so 120, 125 की strike rate होती है धवन की T20 and looks to carry through the innings. Iyer can also, tong the ball when he has to. Pant तो एक ही तरह से आता है. Pant के लिए I believe this is a make or a break season because Pant has lost its place to KL Rahul. So Pant should have an exceptional IPL to win back his place.
Yeah, that's true.
And Pant should do well.
He's too big a player, too big a talent.
But थोड़ा उसका ना दिमाग मुझे लग रहा है इधर-उधर जा रहा है. And we've spoken about Pant, Hetmaier, Dhawan, but the player to watch out for me would be Shaw. Unfortunately, he scored a century in his debut. Then Australia series, he got injured right before his first match. Shaw is the player to watch out for. As in, I believe Tendulkar आया था, सहवाग आया था, जिसको देख के मजा आता था पूरी टीम में. कोहली है, रोहित शर्मा भी है. Shaw would be the next superstar. ये मुझे लगता है. Shaw should be the next superstar.
So thanks guys, thanks for joining. Thanks Antara, thanks for your lovely insights. I think Delhi has a good chance this time. And fingers तो हमारी 13 साल से crossed है ही और crossed ही रखनी पड़ेगी. But let's see. Hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. And we'll try to get more fun and quality content on this channel. Cheers.
Thank you, Delhi Capitals.